Hey guys, Trudi here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I am here to explain and show the new curb cleaner. As you see, it's got 3 nozzles here and 1 here. It is adjustable, so whatever size curb you're doing. I just built this one up here just so I could show you how to use it. It is set up for a 5.5 gallon a minute machine, so it would have to, if you had a bigger machine, you'd have to switch out the nozzles. I'm going to show you, I've got an 8 gallon a minute machine that I'm going to use on it. I did not switch out the nozzles, so it's going to have a little bit more pressure than it should have. I won't get in there. There we go. Too short. Later. There we go. There we go. I got it. I'm going to hold it away so you can see the spray pattern. As you've seen, that was a lot of pressure, so with the correct tips, you'll be able to keep it in place. But that's how it works, guys. Like I said, you can adjust it to whatever size curb you're working with. So that is the curb gutter. You guys stay humble and hustle hard.